Clouds drift above the peak so high, and the village bells chime by. Fields of green that never lie, a perfect place to breathe and sigh. Strolling past the wooden homes, cobbled streets where memories roam. Soft winds weave through ancient pines, nature's verse in gentle chimes. Mountains hum a lullaby, clear blue skies as we walk by. In this peace our worries die, feel the calm, can't deny. Streams that whisper tales of old, wildflowers vibrant, bold. Lakes reflect the purest gold. In this realm our hearts unfold. Chirps and dwarf play in the breeze, harmony within the trees. Find our solace, find our ease. In the valleys our spirit sees. Mountains hum a lullaby, clear blue skies as we walk by. In this peace our